Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best security cameras in 2026 to protect your home, office, or outdoor spaces, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll cover the top 5 best security cameras of 2026, focusing on video quality, smart features, night vision, storage options, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. SOLIOM 5MP Wireless Outdoor Security Camera 4Cam Pack. The SOLIOM 5MP security camera system is a solar-powered wireless outdoor camera kit that comes with 4 cameras, offering 3K resolution, 360-degree auto-tracking, and no subscription fees. This camera is perfect for users who want low-maintenance security. Thanks to solar charging, you don't have to worry about wiring or frequent battery changes. The pan and tilt with auto-tracking ensures wide area coverage, while color night vision gives clear visuals even in low light. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which means more stable connections and faster streaming. Pros: 5MP 3K high-resolution video, solar-powered and fully wireless, 360-degree pan and tilt with auto-tracking, no monthly subscription, dual-band Wi-Fi support. Cons: cloud features are limited, requires good sunlight for best solar performance. The SOLIOM 4Cam kit is an excellent choice for outdoor security, especially if you want wide coverage without monthly fees. Number 2. Eufy Security eufyCam C35 4Cam Kit. The eufyCam C35 is a premium indoor-outdoor security camera system featuring color night vision, facial recognition, local storage, and no monthly fee. What really sets this camera apart is AI-powered facial recognition, which helps reduce false alerts. The cameras are IP67 weatherproof, making them reliable in harsh conditions. With local storage, your data stays private and secure. It also supports solar panel compatibility, extending battery life even further. Pros: facial recognition AI, color night vision, local storage, no subscription, IP67 weatherproof, solar panel compatible. Cons: higher price compared to basic systems, home base required for full features. If privacy and smart AI detection matter most, the eufyCam C35 is one of the best premium security camera systems of 2026. Number 3. ZOSI 3K Lite Security Camera System, Wired. The ZOSI 3K Lite system is a wired CCTV security solution with AI human and vehicle detection, H.265 plus compression, and a 1 terabyte hard drive included. This system is ideal for users who prefer 24/7 continuous recording. The wired setup ensures stable performance, while the AI detection reduces unnecessary alerts. The included 1 terabyte HDD means you can store weeks of footage without extra cost. Pros: stable wired connection, AI human and vehicle detection, 1 terabyte hard drive included, continuous recording, reliable remote access. Cons: installation is more complex, no wireless or solar option. The ZOSI system is perfect for businesses or homes that need non-stop surveillance and long-term video storage. Number 4. Solar Camera Outdoor Wireless 4Cam Kit, Expandable. This solar-powered wireless security camera system supports up to 10 channels, features 360-degree pan and tilt cameras, and offers 2K color night vision without any subscription. Its expandable design makes it great for growing security needs. The cameras provide full area coverage, two-way talk, and reliable wireless performance on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Pros: expandable up to 10 cameras, solar-powered and wireless, 360-degree pan and tilt, two-way audio, no monthly fee. Cons: app interface could be better, night vision range is average. This is a great mid-range security system for users planning to expand their setup over time. Number 5. eufy Security SoloCam C340. The eufy SoloCam C340 is a solar-powered outdoor security camera with 360-degree pan and tilt, no blind spots, and no monthly subscription. This camera delivers excellent smart tracking and smooth rotation, ensuring nothing escapes its view. It integrates with Homebase S380, making it a great addition to an existing eufy ecosystem. Pros: 360-degree coverage with no blind spots, solar-powered, high-quality video, no subscription fees, smart AI tracking. Cons: works best within the eufy ecosystem, single-camera solution. The SoloCam C340 is ideal if you want a powerful standalone outdoor camera with minimal maintenance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which security camera you're planning to buy in 2026. All product links are in the description. See you in the next video.